Got me recording. Anyways, hi guys. Today I'm gonna be got some water, got some new packet of sweets, got some whatever. I'm gonna be got a bowl to put them in. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. Okay, this is. I did open it, but I managed to open it, but it's tipping everywhere. It's tipping. I don't know why, but they all look the same. This one's like exploded. If you guys have ever had these before, comment in the section if you had them before, because I want to know if you've had them. So we're matchies. Okay, I think I might start with. Oh, we can make it a lucky dip, can't we? Lucky dip. I don't like doing lucky dips. I think I'm just gonna go for. I'm just gonna go for the medium. No, I don't like that. That's coffee. I'll try the bigger one this time. That's normal Malteser. That's good. Flat one. That's normal chocolate. It's chewy. It's chewy. What are these? It has raisin in it. Tell me guys if you're a fan of raisin, because I'm not. Yucky. No more. I don't like it anymore. I guess I have to try the small one now. Let's go, guys. Raisin again. Anyway, guys, make sure to drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and I will be, well, the ones I don't like in these, I have to split out into bowls and sell them to my family because I don't like them. The raisin ones, I mean, they're awful. I mean, I don't know if they're raisin or not. Is this one raisin? No. This one's toffee. I haven't tried this one yet. I'm not sure if that's a raisin. Not tried that one. Go. Nearly done. Also, guys, make sure to you know, leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn all notifications on the little bell thing once you hit subscribe, and then just leave a thumbs up. Don't dislike my channel or anything. Just please just please leave a thumbs up on this video, and make sure to subscribe, and yeah, bye. Don't cry. Anyways, bye guys. I'm gonna go and drink a lot of water. Probably, yeah. Bye.